Please take the water in your right
Take water in
hand.
your right hand.
Yeah. So after speaking the sankalpa, you have to drop it in front of you. It's not for drinking. All you have to speak after me. You have to speak Om Tat Sat Sri Brahmano December Mase Ashtadinanke Ravivasare Pratah Kale Shubh जम्बूद्वीपे भरतखंडे आर्यावर्तांतर्गते तमिलनाडु प्रांते तटस्थ चेन्नई नगरे गोपालपुरम उपनगरे आर्य समाज प्रांगणे देवयज्ञः सर्वकल्याणार्थं सुख शांति आनंद प्राप्ति सर्व कल्याणार्थम अस्माभिः अत्र देवयज्ञः क्रियते ओम देखो अस्मै विष्णु have taken the oath for the sukha means happiness, shanti means peace, anand means bliss. For they all getting in our life, we are going to conduct the Deva Yajna. That's the homework. To see great here, we will chant the 8 mantras of Ishwar Stuti Prarthana Upasana. In this mantra, praying to the Almighty, O Almighty, whatever the shortcomings come to us, please remove those all things and bestow of good qualities in our life and lead our intelligence on to the right path. So like this, we have to chant 8 mantra. Atha Ishwar Stuti Prarthana Upasana Om Vishwadev Savitar Vitan Parasuva Yad Bhadram Pratnahasuva Om Yajnarva Samavartadave Bhudasya Jatavati Ekadasi mantra you have to drink it. It's for the internal purification. Before you want to conduct an ritual or daily yajna or agnihotra or home, first you have to purify internally, externally. Then whatever you are going to conduct that rituals, that is going to become fruitful for us. So after chanting mantra you have to drink it. Om Amrito Vastaranti Swaha. Drink it. Take second time. So next 3 times you have to drink. Om Amritavidaranti Swaha. Now take third time. Om Satyamyasathimai Sri Sailam Swaha. Now take water and wash your hands properly. Next you have to hold the water in your left palm and take out your 2 middle finger of your right hand. Next we are going to touch our body parts, praying to the Almighty, O Almighty, keep our all body parts healthy for long time. First touch right, then left. Give your finger. Om Vame Asyastu. Touch your left. First right, then left. Om Naswame Dharvastu. Touch your nostril. Om Aswame Dakshastu. Touch your eye. Om Ganyome Sodamastu. Touch your ears. Om Bhavone Bharmastu. Touch your arms. Om Purvama Udvastu. Touch your knees. Om Anishtani Megani Vasanvane Sasantu. Sit it all direction. You want to sit it? Now next, Dikshaman take our land. Om Bhuvah Swaha. So in this mantra, pray to Almighty, O Almighty, lead us from darkness to light, ignorance to knowledge. Now both hands take the lungs, each kind of inhale from land. Om Bhuvah Swaya Uriva Bhuna Prithiviva Varinat Tasyase Prithivi Devaya Dharmi Rishye Agni Mannadya Manna Yaya Dharmi. Live in a warm room. Now keep restful down and join your hands. Restful down. Yes. Om Udbudya Swamena Hijari Vanisha Purnesham Shri Kamayam Cha Asmin Sadasri Adyukarasmin Vishwe Deva Yajamana Sasidata. And third what we have to offer? We are going to offer 3 wishes, praying to the Almighty, O Almighty, in our body, major 3 elements are, and these are air, fire, and water. As per Ayurveda, it's known as Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. So praying to the Almighty, O Almighty, keep all 3 elements in an equal state, so we can stay healthy for long time. If any one element going ups and down, then we are suffering from health issues. So pray sincerely and you have to offer it after saying Swaha. Om Ayanta Imaha are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. So pray to the fire god, O fire god, in our body is all five sense organs robust functioning, so we can get the right knowledge. So after saying Swaha, we have to offer Om and Swaha word try to speak everyone. The meaning of Om is the protector and Swaha means Suaha. It is good told. So all you have to chant Om and Swaha word that is Om Ayantai Mahatma Jajaveda Sene Dasva Dasva Chita Vadaya Tasman Jaya Vasuri Brahma Rachase Nana Dena Samedaya Swaha Idamane Radhaveda Se Idam Namaha Om Ayantai Mahatma Jajaveda Sene Dasva Dasva Chita Vadaya Tasman Jaya Vasuri Brahma Rachase Nana Dena Samedaya Swaha Idamane Radhaveda Se Idam Namaha Om Ayantai Mahatma Jajaveda Sene Dasva Dasva Chita Vadaya Tasman Jaya Vasuri Brahma Rachase Nana Dena Samedaya Swaha Idamane Radhaveda Se Idam Namaha Om Ayantai Mahatma Jajaveda Sene Dasva Dasva Chita Vadaya Tasman Jaya Vasuri Brahma Rachase Nana Dena Samedaya Swaha Idamane Radhaveda Se Idam Namaha Om Ayantai Mahatma Jajaveda Sene Dasva Dasva Chita Vadaya Tasman Jaya Vasuri Brahma Rachase Nana Dena Samedaya Swaha Idamane Radhaveda Se Idam Namaha. Now keep the respect down. Next one to pour the water. First left to right side in the east direction. Om Ayantai Swaha. Give to opposite side, west direction. Om Ayantai Swaha. Now give to that side, right to left. Om Saraswati Swaha. Om Eva Savita Prasuvayacham Prasuvayacham Bhavim Bhavaya Vidyo Nandava Gita Pugita Namunadu Vachaswati Vacham Naswadatu. Now pour in all four directions. So while we are putting the water near to the home, there are two reasons. First, scientific reason is when this water comes in contact with the fire, especially we are going to offer the harvest powder, ghee, some sweet item. At that time, there is a formation of formaldehyde gas, and this formaldehyde gas prevents unwanted happenings in our life. It removes negativity from our mind. It also good for the lung problem like asthma, dama, sinus. It makes a good clouds. Good clouds means good rain, and good rain means good crops, and good crops means good food, and good food means good hair. So this is a cycle. Hence, while performing the Agnihotra, we have to pour the bucket of water. In the olden days, when the Rishi Maharshi performing Agnihotra in the morning and evening time, So at the evening there are lots of worms coming to the fire. So those all worms should not die in the fire. So they are going to pour the bucket of water. So their wings should stick in the water and minimum hinsa should be there. So while performing Agnihotra, we have to pour the water. Now next you have to take the teaspoon. First you have to offer to the left side backward to forward, second right side, remaining all in center. While left and right side, we are praying to the fire god, whom fire god in our life. There should be no negativity from left and right side, and our future should be always bright and prosperous. For that purpose, we are going to offer this ahuti. Om Agnaye Swaha. Idam Agnaye Idam Namah. Om Somaya Swaha. Idam Somaya Idam Namah. Om Prajapate Swaha. Idam Prajapate Idam Namah. Om Indraya Swaha. Idam Indraya Idam Namah. Om Bhuranaye Swaha. Idam Bhuranaye Idam Namah. Om Bhuranaye Swaha. Idam Bhuranaye Idam Namah. Om Surahityaya Swaha. Idam Surahityaya Idam Namah. Om Bhurvasvaranyivaya Vaididhyam Swaha. Idam Agni Vaivadidhyam Idam Namah. Now next we are starting ahuti. This prasad have two meanings. First meaning, if we did any wrong things or did wrong action for prayasita for confession, we are going to offer this ahuti. And second meaning is, in our life there are so many desires and wishes. For fulfilling that, we are praying to the fire god and offering this ahuti. So why offer this fire? So here Vedas saying Agnivai Devu Bhuta, it means fire is the mouth of all the gods, and we can send our message to this fire only. And why offering sweet items, not the salty items? So here saying Madram Priyam Tathasya Bhakshanam, sweet thing is going to like by everyone. Even a god like too much. If anyone like too much anything, and if you are going to offer, they are going to become very happy, and whatever we have wishes or desires, they are saying the fast as possible, complete your wishes and desires. So whatever you have wishes or desires, you can pray sincerely and have to offer this ahuti. Om Yadasya Karmano Yamitam Yatva Nimola Vihakaram Avishta Srishta Vidya Sarvam Srishtam Suhudram Kalotu Me Anaye Srishta Vidya Suhuda Ude Sarvatraya Sita Udina Kamanam Samadhayate Sarvana Kaman Samadhaya Swaha. Idam Agnaye Srishti Idam Namah. Now offer key, that is a silent bhakti. Om Swaha. Idam Prajapate Idam Namah. So what is the silent bhakti? One can speech and mind both relating to each other and saying I am superior than you. So both went to the Brahmaji for the final decision. And after thinking a lot, Brahmaji told, mind thinking, analyzing, taking thousands of decisions, then speech is going to speak. Hence, mind is superior than speech. At that time, speech become angry and saying, Brahmaji, wherever the mantra coming for him, I will not chant in your mind, and you have to offer this ahuti. So hence this mantra was said for the Prajapita Brahmaji. Now next you have to offer only some special ahutis. Om Bhur also after saying Swaha. You have to take a little amount in a 3 fingers and you have to offer it after saying Swaha. Yes. Om Bhagyo Agni Varunasya Vidvan Devasya Hiro Abhayasi Shishaha Yadisto Varinamasu Sujano Vishwar Vishar Chitramugadasma Swaha Idavati Varnabhyam Idannama Om Sarvano Agni Vamo Bhavoti Nidisho Asya Bhushisho Visham Avayatmano Varunam Narano Virimrikam Subhavo Nariti Swaha Idavati Varnabhyam Idannama Om Imam Varuna Sudhi Hava Madhya Chaminaya Vamavasura Chati Idam Varnaya Jannama Om Tatvayami Brahmana Vadamana Sada Shasti Yajamano Havidhi Hare Ramano Varunena Bhutvyurusamsa Manamayu Pramoshi Idam Varnaya Idannama Om Iti Shatam Varunaye Sahasram Yatiya Pasha Vitata Mahantaha Te Viro Adyasa Vitoda Vishnu Vishri Munchantu Maruta Sakam Idam Varnaya Savitri Vishri Vishnu Divinu Mandavya Swargidya Idannama Om Ayasyagni Asana Visasipa Sasatya Vipama